Hey everybody, here is the sneak peek video for December 9th, 2021 for the fire sale. All right, we have number one, we have an 8-pack of Safeguard soap, $2.50. That's it, 3 of them available. Suave men's body wash, $5 for that, 4 of them available. Number 3 is a drink up pet bowl, $5, 4 of those available. Number 4 is Hers hair regrowth treatment set, $20. Number 5 is a Pure Castile soap, $7.50. Number 6 is a blood pressure wrist monitor, $5. $20. Number 7 is a clock tower cat scratcher, $7.50. Number 8 is a Pantene set, $5, 2 of those available. Number 9 is an aloe vera spray, $2.50, a bunch of those available. Number 10 is eyelashes, fake eyelashes, cat eye, natural, 2-pack of those, $5. Bunch of those available. Number 11 is the eyelash, cat eye, and the wisps. So that 2-pack, $5, 3 of those available. Number 12 is the clean and clear set, $5. Number 13 is the Love and Beauty Planet Body Wash, $5, 4 of those available. Number 14 is the Cat Scratcher Rocket, $12.50, 2 of those available. Number 15 is a pair of reading glasses, plus 2.50, $5, 2 of those available. They're identical. Number 16 is another pair of readers, plus 1.25 is the prescription, $5, 1 of those available. Number 17 is a body scrub, $2, 5 of those available. Number 18 is a bundle of items. Winky Lux is the brand, which is a pretty expensive brand, $25 for that whole bundle. Then we have another bundle, which is the Pixie, and it comes with some lipsticks, and that is $15 for everything you see there, 4 different kinds. Number 20 is the Olay Regenerist, $10. Number 21 is the hemp oil calming oil, $5, 6 of those available. Number 22 is the Proactive 3-step system, $20. Number 23 is a perfume mix bar blackberry tonic, $10. Number 24 is another perfume mix bar vanilla bourbon scent, $10. Number 25 is the Proactive repairing treatment, $15. Number 26 is the Omega-3 krill oil, $5, 3 of them available. Number 27 is the Sun Bum hair mist, $7.50. Number 28 is a bag lot. So it's got a couple of different kinds of bags, $10. Number 29 is a Vega no-brainer brain health pill, bottle of pills. Isn't it bottle of pills?
I think it's a powder.
It's a powder. Sorry, it's a powder.
It makes raspberry and blackberry shakes.
Raspberry and blackberry shakes. Awesome. $10. Number 30 is a body care bundle, $15. Number 31. Oh, I was going to sneak and get that number 31 in, but you can't see what it is. We actually have a total of 57 items on the sale, so come tomorrow at noon Central Standard Time. We'll see you there for all the fun of buying on the fire sale Thursdays at noon Central Standard Time. Remember, in the end, Jesus wins.